Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I am bringing you guys a pack with me video. I am going on vacation tomorrow. Our flight leaves tomorrow at 2 and I just barely started packing today. It's actually like really late. Let me see what time it is. It's 5:57, so it's about to be 6 and I'm barely packing anything. I literally waited till the last freaking minute to do anything and everything. So I have all my stuff laid out. I'm going to show you guys. So this is like all my outfits that I've decided that I'm going to go with. My sleeping wear, my airport outfits for tomorrow, and also for when we come back. So I have everything ready to put in the bag. And right now I'm just going to show you guys how I pack it in there and how I make everything fit and organized. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So like I showed you guys, I have here outfits that I'm going to be taking. These are going to be my club outfits. I only have 2, but everything else that I'm bringing can kind of be dressed up. So it's really good. I have my purses that I'm going to take, my little handbags, and this is a really cute, what do you call it? Fanny pack that I bought at Burlington for $7. I think it was actually $8. Yeah, it was $7.99, so I gotta take the tags off of that, but it was super cute. So like I said, I have this one dress here from Agassi, and then I have this 2-piece from Fashion Nova that I'm taking just so I kind of do like the club thing. Here I have a couple of little just like biker shorts, a little t-shirt. These don't really need like any accessories or anything. It's just put it on, put some shoes on, doesn't really matter. It just goes with everything. Right here I have this little dress that I bought at Forever 21. It's super cute, and I do have some pins right here, which I don't really mind if they show or not. This is from Forever 21. It's really cute. This is a little strapless dress. Not a strapless, it's a strappy dress from Pretty Little Things. I have this little, it's a jumpsuit from Burlington as well. This is a long dress from Fashion Nova. I have this cute little high-waisted short with this little top. And then I also have kind of a similar thing going with a blue and a white top. Now I can mix and match because this also has like a dark blue and can go with this, as well as this one can go with that one. So that's why I really like this outfit. And then I have something similar as well over here. These are shorts with a little black top, shorts, white shorts with a blue little tank top. And then I have this button down with some black shorts. These are some of the shoes I'm going to be taking. I'm really just going to be taking flats. So I'm taking those brown ones. I'm taking these, my espadrilles, and then some slides. And then I like to wear those because I don't like being barefoot. So right now. But I don't like being barefoot. And then I'm obviously going to take some heels. I'm thinking I'm going to take these black ones right here. Sorry. And then I kind of want to take these, but I'm not sure. Oh, sorry. So I'm also thinking that I want to take those wedges right there, but I'm not really sure. I still have to try things on. Everything that is out here I've tried on, but I haven't really tried on with shoes. These are basic shoes that, like, you know, anything fits with. I do want to have some cute little wedges though. Sleeping outfits. I have 2 sleeping outfits, just shorts with a t-shirt. And then this is stuff that I need to fold. This is a pair of shorts that I really like with this white top right there. This is not supposed to be there. And that should be everything. That should cover everything. I'm going to go ahead and actually start packing. Let me show you guys. I bought these at TJ Maxx. These are little packing cubes. And I saw Desi Perkins, I Love Sarai's videos. I literally saw so many YouTube videos on like packing hacks and stuff like that, and they all recommended little things like this. Oh, I also need to pack my underwear. What's up? Sorry, that was my little sister. So like I said, packing cubes were a big, huge, like, yes, must-haves. And honestly, I definitely think. Okay, so in this small little baggie that I have here, I'm going to actually put my underwears, my chonies in there. And then I have some bras that I'm going to put in another one. Okay, so as you can see, all my chonies fit in here, and there's like definitely hella space. I did pack a shitload of chonies, but all of them fit in here. This is my Away We Go bag, and this one has my bras in them, and this other one, this regular black one, has my chonies in them. So those two are set to go, and they fit so perfect. It's beautiful. Next, I'm gonna pack in my, I kind of want to do shirts, but in here, in this one, I'm gonna put in outfits that don't need like a second piece. They're just the one piece. So like dresses, rompers, jumpsuits like that. I'm gonna try to fit in this one just because I don't have many of them. And so in this baggie, I have all my one pieces, and they all fit in there. I think it was like 5 of them, and they all fit nicely. Oh shit, just kidding. I didn't fit them all. There's one more. Okay, so in this next baggie, or in the bigger baggie, I'm not really sure, I'm gonna stick in my shirts, and then in the other big one, I'm gonna stick in my pants, like all my bottoms and stuff. And then I think in this one right here, I'm gonna stick in my sleeping clothes. Right here, it's this clear bag for $20 at Walmart, and it comes with, oh god, this little bag right here. It comes with this one as well, and it came with these little pouches for your shampoo, lotion, and conditioner, and then this little pouch and a sponge, and then the big makeup bag. So in the small one right here, these were actually in there, but I decided to put my brushes in there. So super cute. I really like that. And in here I have, I'm not really sure if I'm going to stick to this little pouch or not for this stuff that I have in here. Hold on. So in here I have razors, I have little safety pins / earrings in there. I have a bar of soap. This is the milk coconut, the coconut milk from Dove. I have some scrunchies in here, some earrings, some hoops, bracelets, watch. I have some tweezers and some nail clippers. So that's what's in there. And then, like I said, that. In here, I have, this is the big purse right here. I have my Jaclyn Hill palette, my brow palette, and my Wet n Wild multi highlighter palette, and then my my concealer palette. I've only put in my pomade and my Mayan Gold Starlight highlighter in there right now. I'm still packing the rest, so that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to show you guys how I put it all into my suitcase. Okay, now. Shut the hell up, little girl. Okay, so I finally finished packing, and you guys, it took me 2 attempts to get this bag under 40 pounds, but we got it. We did it. And now I'm going to show you guys how I packed everything. So once again, oh you guys, my stupid ass almost forgot swimming suits. That's why my fucking bag went up. So I had to add swimming suits. I forgot about that. So like I said, I have here my little, it has swimming suits and like sleeping clothes. This one has chonies. No, this one has bras and some tops for my swimming suits. This one's my bottoms. These are my shirts, and that is all in the front. And here I'm just gonna stick my toothpaste and my toothbrush tomorrow in the morning once I brush my teeth. And then I'm gonna zip that back up. Well, come on, slit. Okay. And then this little compartment right here, like I showed you guys earlier, I have my my wristlet bag and my satchel. I have my curling iron here, and then I have my flat iron in the second one. In here I have my razors, my tampon, and my sponge. Over here I have my one pieces, my shoes under here. I have makeup wipes, I almost forgot, perfume, some hair supply stuff, some, what do you call this? Contact solution. We have some safety pins, my pantuflas, my makeup bag is in here. I have some lotion and my little cheetah print fanny pack. I have my chonies and the bottoms of my, what do you call them? Swimming suits. And I have some tools under here. My Cetaphil is in there and my deodorant. And then here I have my hairspray. And so that is everything in the suitcase. And we're going to wait again just to make sure.
Hi. Go follow me on Instagram. And not
Get the
her.
hell out of here. Ooh, a bitch is out of breath.
I
God, I don't know how you're cold. I'm sweating up a storm. Okay. Jesus. I'm out of breath.
I should become like a camera person.
Okay, so this is everything that I'm going to be taking into my personal item, which is my backpack. Which is this one right here. So first things that I have is my wallet, and it's just a small little wallet that I got from Macy's in Dallas. Then I have my little notebook. This is my finance notebook, so I have all of my stuff in there to know how much I want to spend, how much I need to spend, how much I have to spend, and like all my bill stuff. Here I have some makeup wipes that were originally actually in my suitcase, but I decided to take out just because there's no limit on like the weight on this for a personal item. So I decided to just move that and have more room in my suitcase, which basically is less weight. I have a big pack of gum. This is the extra peppermint, spearmint one. I have a small little perfume from American Eagle. It's the vintage. It smells so good. And then I have this argan oil for my hair. Now this was also meant to go in my suitcase, but once again, just took it out so that there would be less weight. I have some hand sanitizer, my BioTrue contact lens. I have this for my phone for when I vlog. This is my weight, my luggage weight thing. It weighs the luggage. I'm going to take it so that when we come back, we can all weigh our luggage. Make sure that it all is less than 40 or 40 exactly. And then you can't go wrong with having chapstick, lip gloss. I have just some powder for my face. I have a little lip gloss. This is just like a tint for me because it's not really like it's more of like my actual color of lips. And then I have this to kind of blotch this. Now this was once again originally in my suitcase, but I took it out so that it would be below the 40 pounds limit. So I decided to take that out because it's actually pretty heavy. It's got all of my brushes in there and my sponge. Then I have my 4 sunglasses that I'm going to be taking to Miami with me. Not to Miami, what the fuck, Orlando. And then I have 2 contact lens case, my sleeping little cover. And then this right here is the little pouch that has like my lip glosses, my lipsticks, my liquid lipsticks, my scrunchies, bobby pins, all of that good stuff, my bar soap. Then I have my glasses, of course, and that's everything that's going to go in here. And yeah, so I guess I'm going to show you guys how I stuff it. I finally finished packing, kind of. So there's my stuff. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Stuff. Okay. Dang, girl. Okay, we got a little booty going on.
Boop.
Good night. But yeah, just chilling. I have to shower still. And I have to, I gotta shave my legs. Look at that ugly bruise. I hit myself so hard right there. I was playing on a yoga ball at my boyfriend's work and I fell. And I hit myself on the corner of his desk. Like, fucking hard as hell, you guys. And I still barely bruised. I do not bruise easily. So that's good. She's watching my video.
I look like a... Never mind. I look like Oompa Loompa.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, this girl's been going to the freaking... What do you call it? Water park every single day for the past, like, 2 months. And look how dark she is. She is so dark. She's darker than me. And you guys, I used to be darker than her, like, way darker.
I used to be white. White as a white person.
Like a Caucasian.
Like a tan Caucasian.
Girl, you barely.
Maybe.
You were white as heck.
I was.
Now, you're a
I'm
true
black.
Mexican.
Oh, that was that too.
A dark kid.
People think I'm mixed. I tell them I'm black now. They actually believe
You do
me.
look mixed though, like with that hair color you got going on, and then some freaking little curl you got going on too.
People actually believe me that I'm mixed.
Yeah, you do look mixed. And then they go and see you have a white stepdad. They probably thinking he's your dad.
And then my mom's black. I mean.
My ankle is in so much pain right now. It hurts.
Is this one?
Yeah. I don't know if I should take some ibuprofen because it hurts really bad.
Probably.